Use a tape measure to measure the 1 meter elevation line of the template and mark it well. Spray 1 meter elevation point with paint. Set up the laser level near the elevation point. Place the ruler vertically on the ground elevation point. Adjust the laser line of the level meter. The reading on the tower ruler 996 mm, consistent with ground marking reading 996 mm. Lock laser level. Rotary level. Scatter blue light onto the template that needs to be adjusted. Pry up the formwork with a crowbar. Adjust the wall height. Wooden pad plus pull head under the wall panel. Make the laser line coincide with the 1 meter elevation point, and install reinforcement. The upper end of the wire rope is connected with the wall panel with short steel bars. The connection part is 300 mm from the top of the wall panel. The lower end is connected with the horse stool with a flower basket bolt. Installation support. The lower end of the diagonal support is against the horse stool. Upper end tight template upper end reinforcement rib. Adjust single top position. Tighten the adjusting nut. Erect level. Alignment control line. Adjust the laser line of the level meter. Make it coincide with the 300 mm control line. Measure with a square ruler on the wall panel. The distance between the 2 points is more than 2 meters. Reading 296 mm. First loose support. Tighten the wire rope. Reading 296 mm. Loosen the wire rope first. Ray top support. Make sure the reading is within 4 mm.